Let us continue. Creating a shortcut to a computer program. Creating a shortcut to a computer program. So how do you create a shortcut to a computer program? How do you create a shortcut to a computer program? Click start all programs, navigate to the program you want a shortcut for. Right right mouse click on the program, click send to desktop or create shortcut. So in this, so let us see doing it practically. I think you can see here. Create a shortcut to a file. Go to the folder you have saved the file in and right mouse click on the file. Click send to and then click desktop to create a shortcut. Let us do it practically. So you come here. So we had created a folder in my documents, and we called, for example, let's say in class, and here in students we have a file called marks, and we want to create a shortcut for this for this marks on our desktop. So they are saying that we come here, then they are saying that new shortcut. So now shortcut where? Type the location of the item. So we can say browse. So for example, we can choose desktop and I click OK. So it means that my shortcut will be created on desktop. So I click next. Type name of this shortcut, desktop. So I can say Max, and I click finish. So if I click finish, I think you can see my folder, it is created here. So let me go and check on my desktop. Let me check on the desktop here. So I must be having that shortcut for Max. Max shortcut. Max shortcut. So it means that even though it is not, if it's not here, I can just come here and copy it. I can copy it from here. I just copy like this. Then I come here on my desktop and I paste it there. Now I think you can see it, it is here. So now if I double click there on Max, it will take me to this folder where I have my class here. So let me get it. Desktop. Let us find it. Desktop, where is it? Where is our shortcut? Max, it is here. So if I double click on it, it just brings me here. So this one, just come here, I copy it and I bring it here on my desktop and I paste it there. So every time I click on Max here, so it just opens up my Max folder here. So my Max folder is here. So if I close it and I come back here on my desktop and I open Max, so it will have opened my Max folder. I think you have seen the procedure. Okay, that is the procedure of creating a shortcut. So as how we have said that creating a shortcut to a file, go to folder, you have saved the file in and right mouse click on the file, click send to and then click desktop to create a shortcut.